My name is Engineer Ajibade, Samuel Ajibade, a graduate of mechanical engineering. I studied mechanical engineering from Osun State College of Technology, SLK, where I had my ND and HND, and I proceeded to Adeleke University, Ede, where I had my Bachelor of Engineering. I started this work about 11 years ago, precisely 2013. Part of what motivated me into this profession was when I was having my IT training as a student at Abuja, Auto Computers, to be precise, in Abuja. And it gave me a new perspective about automobile engineering. And I saw that automobile is really, really interesting. I got so interested in automobile, and I saw that automobile repairs is a very, very interesting work. I realized that you can do it in a different way, even as a professional with modern gadgets. Because what we used to know then is just about all these roadside mechanics and whatsoever. So it made me know that I can be a professional mechanic. We have modern equipment where we diagnose vehicles before we work on them. We don't just do guesswork. We have modern equipment to diagnose the faults of the vehicle before going straight into what is happening. And that was part of what motivated me. I also love this job because it has helped me in providing solution to a lot of people. I've brought smiles. One of the things that motivates me is bringing smiles to people. This profession has assisted me in bringing smile into the faces of a lot of people that have had a lot of problem with their vehicles being damaged elsewhere, and they brought it, and by the special grace of God, through our expertise, we were able to put smile to their face, and they've been recommending us to other people. We have professionals here. We have mechanics. We have electricians, auto electricians that are known as rewires here, and we have painters. We have panel beaters that also work on vehicles. So we also have IT students from different schools, Futmina, Federal Polyede, from Osun State, and even beyond Osun State, that come in here for their IT training. So it's a one-stop shop. Anything that you need to do on your vehicle, that is what we do. Also, through this job, I've been able to empower a lot of interns, people coming here for their IT, for their 1 year, 6 months IT, and I've been able to empower a lot of them. And also, by the special grace of God, God has given us good staff. There are people that are here that are earning their living from me, and it's a thing of pride for me. This work has afforded me the opportunity to meet a lot of people. Part of our clients are the one that work on all the vehicles of Adeleke University. I've worked on Osun State College of Education, ILA, their vehicles there, and also their vehicles at Poly, and a lot of other organizations that are too many to mention. This work has also afforded me to go to places. I've been to Aso Rock, where we were invited for Empower training. We also have IT students from different schools, Futmina, Federal Polyede, from Osun State, and even beyond Osun State, that come in here for their IT training. It's one of the center for training of Empower students. Also, by the special grace of God, last year, 2023, Top Notch Nigeria gave us an award as the best mechanic workshop. And this is one of the ways by which our services are being recognized. My name is Engineer Ajibade, Samuel Ajibade. I'm a registered engineer and auto mechanic. This is my work, and my work is my pride.